You know who started this was Alan Turing, was the one, Turing Machine and also the Imitation Game. He was the one that actually said that if I want to make something intelligent, why not make like a baby and then teach it? So you could start simple. So I was amazed. I reread that, but that was in like the 50s he wrote that. And there was a robotics field that I'm sort of on the fringe of called developmental robotics. They actually look at this.
And Constructionism, right?
Yeah, they actually try and teach the system to get better over time. But one thing that you touched on that they can't do, which is really hard, which all organisms seem to do, is they go from very small to very large. Their body changes a lot, and then somehow they fluidly adapt to that. That's a really hard engineering problem.